Yes, it's almost ready. Nooni has invited children for dinner tonight. And look, we're already late. You keep studying this. Meanwhile, I'll comfort them by telling a story.
Amma, when will the food be ready? I am hungry.
Just a few more minutes, Nooni.
A few more minutes? What should we do until then?
Until then, I can tell you a story.
Story?
Do you want to hear one?
Yay! It's story time with Sudama.
A treasure for Ramu. Once, all the goddesses accused Goddess Lakshmi of not staying in one place because she kept traveling from one person to another. Then Goddess Lakshmi said,
Those who respect me spend their wealth wisely, work hard. I never ever leave them. But unfortunately, those whom I chose to stay with, they start behaving strangely.
The other goddesses considered Goddess Lakshmi's response as an excuse. And there was no other option left for her besides proving her point. The livelihood of Ramu's family depended on the cultivation of this piece of land.
Open it quickly. I'm hungry. Mummy, there are no vegetables again.
Until the vegetables grow in the field, I'll eat bread with this mango.
Mango? I want it! I want it!
Ramu's family was poor, but still they were happy. And today, their happiness was going to multiply tenfold. The blessings of Goddess of Wealth, Lakshmi, showered upon them in such abundance that there was no limit to their happiness. Rani was at home guarding the treasure, and Ramu was in the field. But if there's treasure at home, how would Ramu feel about working hard in the scorching sun?
Leave it! Leave it! Leave it! Leave my coins! Leave my coins!
With wealth also comes the fear of theft. That same fear was also in Ramu's mind.
You have come so early.
This house is not safe for us now, Rani.
Then what?
After finding the coins, Ramu built a grand house and started living a life of luxury and comfort. Now, Ramu wasn't the same Ramu as before. His days changed with the grace of Goddess Lakshmi. Now he was the richest man in Vijayanagar.
Ramu, look what I have brought for you, Mani's honey.
It's rice.
Rice? Just rice? Ramu, you are so observant. These are not just rice grains. They are pearls. Look how they sparkle. I have specially brought them for you, Mani's honey.
But the storehouse is already filled with grains.
Distribute it among the poor and earn blessings, dear. How can Ramu eat the stored grains? Right, sir?
You're right. You're absolutely right.
What are you looking at? Get the grains out of the cart quickly, Mani's honey.
Udanka, here are your coins. Oh, Manu, what have you brought?
What can I bring for you? I am your servant. I am here to serve you. I thought of showing you some real muslin and velvet fabric that came from
Show
a
me.
distant land. Yeah. Yeah.
Ramu didn't earn this wealth from his hard work, so he kept spending it recklessly. He would give. He would give as much as someone asked for. Eventually, Ramu's wealth exhausted, but not his vices.
We will take our money later, sir.
Debts had to be paid someday. And finally, that day arrived.
What? Just one coin? But you owe me more than that, sir. Mani's honey.
I only have this much left.
You still have a lot, Ramu, sir.
In exchange for his debt, Udanka took away Ramu's belongings and the horse cart from his house.
If you did not have the courage to repay, then why did you take my products? You were trying to become a big shot, right? Now take it off. Take away all the belongings.
Ramu showed neither foresightedness nor wisdom in spending his wealth. But now he had realized his mistake.
You don't even have a single coin, and yet you are sitting on the throne. Come on, get up.
Hey, wait!
My boss has asked me to take away all the belongings. Stay away.
No! Our days of luxury are over, Rani.
We didn't value the wealth we got for free. That's why Goddess Lakshmi got upset with us.
All's well that ends well. Ramu and Rani learned from their mistakes and started working hard once again. Ramu's efforts paid off, and Goddess Lakshmi once again became happy with Ramu's hard work. And the goddesses got their answer that Goddess Lakshmi doesn't stay in one house for too long because people stop valuing her. So children, how did you like the story?
It was very good, Amma. We should spend on things thoughtfully. We learned this lesson too. Huh?
Absolutely right.
Yay!
Be careful, children. Be careful.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.
बातों ही बातों में टप से टपके चखे वही जो गप से गपके साबुत सा सच्चा सा किस्सा सुनाने आई हूँ मैं खट्टा मीठा जगाने चुलबुल सी बच्ची मैं हूँ दादी नानी चुलबुल सी बच्ची मैं हूँ दादी नानी कैसे कहानी अरे कैसे कहानी मैं हूँ वही प्यारी खुशबू पुरानी चुटकी सी बातों में बड़का सच बोलूंगी झोंका बन आऊंगी एक खिड़की खोलूंगी उंगली पकड़ के संग संग चलूंगी घुप घुप अंधेर में टिम टिम जलूंगी आंगन की मिट्टी में सोंधी सुहानी कैसे कहानी अरे कैसे कहानी